So, nandito pa rin kami sa Malico. So, second tourist destination dito, second spot is ito yung Jack's View Point, Jack's View Deck. So, dito, 360 view.
And life will begin again. Come take a look outside. Don't forget to breathe all the oxygen you will ever need. And a mother's voice in the trees say, I promise that life will begin again.
Mountain range. Ito. Wow. Diba? Yun. So, ito yung, yan, dyan tayo galing. Grabe, no? Ganda. Dito tayo.
And I would say, take your time. Take your time. You keep trying and you don't take a breath. You belong to you and take your time.
Ganda ng mountain range, no? Puntahan nyo ito mga brad. So,